Hi there, my name is Dr. Cary Yurkiw. I'm a chiropractor here in Kelowna. Today I wanted to go over a good stretch for the groin area. Sometimes people sprain their groin when they're playing sports, like running quickly or hockey where you lunge forward or quickly turn and it pulls that groin muscle. The groin muscle is called the psoas, and it's the muscle that goes from the low back into the femur area, the upper leg bone. So if you've pulled your groin, it's a good idea to have that assessed by your health professional and then start to stretch it. I usually give my patient passive stretches first, just resting the leg over the edge of couch, let's say, towards the floor, so it really, and face up, so it stretches the groin. But then the next thing I have them do is more of an active type of stretch like this, where the person's in a squatting position with their feet turned outward, and that really helps to stretch the groin, and it's an active movement, which is very helpful as the next step beyond the passive movement. The last thing that I give my patients is strengthening. So just giving them something to strengthen the psoas, getting that groin muscle stronger, and that way it helps to protect the low back and the hip region, and it'll prevent re-injury in the future.